Hey everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and are in good health. So, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know my name is Moni, and today's video is totally going to be about my Nykaa haul. Yes, it is going to be about all the products that I have purchased recently from Nykaa. So, I have been purchasing these products from time to time and I have been collecting these products to share to you guys as to what all have I bought from Nykaa recently. I might want to admit that I may have gone a little bit overboard with my Nykaa shopping, but who doesn't love extra shopping? That is what I feel. What are your opinions about this? Please comment down in the comment section below. If you're interested in knowing what all products I have shopped from Nykaa recently, then please keep on watching the video till the end and let me know your reviews about this entire video. Also, please note that over here, nowhere am I promoting mindless shopping. If you think you require XYZ product, then please go ahead and buy it. If you think you do not require that product, please don't purchase it. It's not required in your vanity. I have purchased these products because I will be using them on a day-to-day basis for my content creation or my lifestyle or XYZ reasons. So yeah, that was a lot of blabbering which happened right now. So without consuming any further time of you guys, let's just dive right into the video. So let me just share with you all the packages that I have received from Nykaa. So this is one of the package, which is a mini package. Then the other one is a big package which is heavy as well. This is my second package number 2. My package number 3 looks the same, it is of a similar size. And my package number 4, yeah, that's my package number 4. So this is what my packages of the shopping look like, and this is all I'm going to review in the today's video. I was excited about it because I am really excited to share all my purchases from Nykaa with you all. So before opening any of the packages, I would like to make this very clear that I have already opened these packages. I have seen all the products, but I have just packed them back into the original packing and I have kept for you guys so that it's as fresh as you all feel. Also, I may have used a product or two here and there just to try them out, test the formulation, because they were very new to me as well. I bought them on a trial basis. So let's just open our first package. Let's start with the mini one because it looks small and it is a cute package from Nykaa. So it consists of 3 products in it. I would like to share with you the packaging, guys. These come in a packaging like this. These are not bubble wrapped at all, which is very good. These come in a packaging of paper. These are paper wrapped to help them not spill or tear while they're in transit before they reach you. So my first product is the hyaluronic acid sheet mask. So I have been wanting to try my hands on this hyaluronic acid sheet mask because I have seen people going crazy about the hyaluronic acid. So I wanted to try it out. So what better than trying out a sheet mask from L'Oreal, the hyaluronic acid. So this sheet mask is a little different from the others. Over here it says that it needs to be freshly mixed with the hyaluronic acid. So maybe I may have to press it from here and the liquid may ooze out into the sheet mask packaging, which is over here. Done. I would try and I will post it on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, I will be linking my Instagram handle in the bottom bar below. So please go ahead and follow. I post content over there as well. My second product is a kajal pencil. Yes, I have used this kajal pencil. This kajal pencil is from Kiro. This was a new launch in India. It recently launched in India and they have just celebrated their 1-year anniversary in India. So this kajal pencil is a gorgeous blue color kajal pencil, if you may see. This kajal pencil, as you see, I have already used this as the tip is pretty blunt, and this kajal pencil is really good. It has a good color payoff. It glides on very smoothly on your eyes. I may just watch and show you guys how it looks. That's just one stroke swatch of this kajal pencil. So you may know what I'm talking about when it comes to the color payoff. It is really good and it's worth the price. And it stayed on my eyes for almost 10 hours after I applied this. So it's a good kajal pencil, as my eyes are pretty watery and kajal does not really sit on my eyes for a really long time. So I may advise, if you're looking for something which is long lasting, you should go for it. Next product is from Nykaa. It is Smoke at 8 eyeshadow palette. So I saw a lot of YouTubers recommending this palette as for the color payoff, its texture and everything. And this palette has some beautiful nude, brown, black. This is what the palette looks like, and it does come with an eyeshadow brush of its own, which I'm not definitely going to be using it, but if somebody does not want to spend some extra bucks on buying extra brushes, they can obviously go about and use this eyeshadow brush. So let's just swatch this palette. I will just swatch the black color first. Okay, it is pretty pigmented because it was just one swipe and one swipe over here, and the color payoff is pretty good. Nice. These palettes are not very powdery, but the texture is pretty good. It is very creamy and it is nicely formulated palettes. The color payoff is really nice. I have picked these also I have picked these colors with a very light hand, and they have shown such amazing result. So yeah, these are a good palette. I'm excited to use these. So that was my dabba number 1. Let's go on to the dabba number 2. So this is what my dabba number 2 looks like, and let's just unbox it. Oh, this dabba has a variety of products, if you may see. So first let's see this. This is the nail paint by Faces. This I think was one of their free products, as I bought there was an offer going on Nykaa that if I purchase X amount of Faces products, there would be a nail paint free or some XYZ product free. So I think this one is the free product. Let's open the second product, which is again wrapped in this card paper. This is an eye pencil from Faces again. So this eye pencil, I haven't even opened it. I will be opening it right in front of you guys. If you can see, the packaging is untoned. Yes. Yes, finally it is here. It is out. Finally it is out from the packaging. So this is the Faces All-Time Pro Intense Solid Black Kajal. Yeah, I bought this as my MAC kajal was getting over, and this looked pretty interesting. I wanted to try something from Faces, as I've always tried something from L'Oreal or Maybelline or Lakme. So I wanted to try something from Faces. Let's see how it performs. And next product that we have in the cardboard packaging is the Magnetic Eye eyeliner. So I was looking for something which was a thinner felt tip eyeliner, and I read in the reviews of the liner is very felt tip. It's like very thin, and that is why I purchased this. So this is how the packaging looks like, and when I open, let's just swatch it for you on my hand. It is a really thin eyeliner. My next purchase comes from PAC. These are the cute little mini sponges. Let me open it for you guys. I already did the try and testing thing of dipping these sponges into the water and testing if these grow in size and how do they perform. And these, oh my god, I can't even express, these are just too good. These sponges, I have bought the smaller sponges because these are really good to work in the inner corners of your eyes, to dab with the powder, and to, you know, do precision blending. It really helps in that. So I bought these mini sponges instead of getting a big beauty blender. There was offer going on Nykaa saying that if I buy XYZ Nykaa products, then they give a free gift. So I think this is one of the free gifts that I have received from Nykaa. This is what the paint stick looks like. This is how it is. It is in a retractable thing, like how any other lipstick, like a pretty good peachish color. Yes, it is a very pretty peach color. It is a pretty velvety matte. It's not exactly matte. So this is my another packaging in the box. I am just in love with how these guys have wrapped it. So that's my concealer. I bought it from Maybelline. This is the concealer I bought. My concealer was about to get over, so this is just a refill. The next is the Blur Perfect Primer. I have been trying to get this Blur Perfect Primer since a real long time, but for some reason or the other, this would always be out of stock. So finally, I have my hands on upon this Blur Perfect Primer, and I cannot wait to use it on my face because I have read a lot of reviews about this primer saying that it is a go-to primer and it is fantastic. And yes, when I told you that I have purchased makeup tools also, then this is one of the tools. Eyelash curler. My previous eyelash curler just broke, so I had to repurchase one. So this is one eyelash curler which I have repurchased. Also, this is from Vega, guys, and these are like good quality eyelash curlers. These last for really long. My previous eyelash curler was also from Vega, and that lasted me for a real good time, almost 6 to 7 years, and then it broke. Last product from this dabba includes this. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette which they have obviously bubble wrap because they would not want to take any kind of risk with this breaking, the palette breaking, or anything happening to the palette in the transit. The covering itself looks so colorful. I was very delighted to see the shade range they have online, so I just bought this palette. I'm opening it for the first time right in front of y'all. I have not even opened this palette, guys. So this is what the palette looks like, and this is what the colors look like. So there are some gorgeous purples, amazing pinks, there are some yellows, bright reds, there are blacks, there's a very amazing blue which I am excited. So looking at this palette, I can just think about how many looks can I create using this one particular palette. It is an amazing all-in-one palette because there are browns also, you can create browns, there are nudes also, there are colors also, eye-popping colors like purples and pinks and blues obviously. So it's fantastic palette. I hope it just performs well as like it is supposed to perform. So let's just hope it performs well. I would want to swatch this blue color first. That's the blue I have picked, and it is a gorgeous blue. I just want to swatch it right onto my arm. Wow, can you really see how pretty this blue is? I can't wait to actually try out this palette on my eyes. It is a fantastic palette, and this blue is still on my fingers. It's not yet gone, so it is. I think these are pressed pigments or something. Wait. Yes, a few of the colors in this palette are pressed pigments. So it's very exciting for me to, you know, literally try and swatch as many as shades for you guys as I can. Let's try the purple. Yes, the purple one is really good as well, but it is a little chalky on the arms. I don't know how it will perform, but it's good as far. Let's try a glitter shade. Oh, this looks very foiled. This looks like a foiled glitter. Yes, this is a foiled glitter. There are no chunky particles. These are fantastic. Look at the sheen of this glitter. These are very nice. So I really can't wait to try out these eyeshadow palettes on my eyelids, and I will be posting a lot many looks on my Instagram and YouTube videos, of course. This is my third dabba. Everything in this dabba is so aesthetically packed. I can't even explain. This is so good. Not to see any kind of bubble wraps or any plastic wastage happening. Let's open my first parcel in this dabba. So this consists of the Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer. Packaging looks pretty rich and nice, like the typical Faces products have a black packaging. It is that, and it is so good and cheap. The bottle looks really good. It is very cute and it's nice. So what does it say? It helps in stopping the makeup meltdown. It is formulated with moringa, chamomile, caffeine and hyaluronic acid, and it also hydrates and protects your skin from radicals and pollutants. Okay, says a lot for a makeup fixer. Let's just spritz this and test how it functions. Oh, this was smooth. The droplets are very fine and this was smooth. Also, for the fragrance part, it's just way too very mild. It's a good purchase if you don't like fragrances in your products. Let's open this packaging. What do I have in here? This is the Dot & Key Lip Plumping Mask. I have been longing to have my hands on this lip plumping mask since the time Dot & Key had introduced it on their website. So this is my time. I haven't even opened this product, so I am opening it right in front of you all. Okay, this packaging is like really cute. I appreciate Dot & Key's packaging. These are damn amazing, cute little packaging. Oh my god, just look at how gorgeous and cute this little packaging is. This is just so cute. This has a good fragrance as well. This is what the tub looks like. It's a huge jar. It's going to last me a real long time. I don't think I'm going to finish it out anytime soon. Let me just see the expiry of this product. Oh, the expiry says 2024. Thank god, I will not be able to finish out this product in a year's time at least. The other one is, oh, this is a heavy one. This is again from Dot & Key, guys. This is the Dot & Key Deep Exfoliate Energizing Bubble. So I bought this product because I was really intrigued by an Instagram video where this blogger just applied this clay mask on her face and suddenly it just started bubbling, and it really looked fun to me. So I bought this mask for that. And from the lip plumping mask, the lip plumping mask was a plastic jar and of the similar size, but this one is a, if you can see, this is a glass jar and this is transparent. That was very opaque plasticky thing, and this is transparent. This smells very fresh, honestly. This smells very fresh, very green, very aquaish, very clay. I will be trying these out and reviewing it on my channel and on my YouTube. I will be posting videos on my Instagram as well. So just if you are interested in watching the fun bubbling effect on my face, then just watch me out on Instagram as well. Follow me on Instagram. The handle is linked in the bottom bar below. Dot & Key was on a amazing offer that if I buy 2 products from Dot & Key, then I get 2 mini size products of Dot & Key free. So as I purchased the lip plumping mask and this clay bubbling mask, I got this moisture infusing water sleeping mask free from them, which is again a small little cute bottle in with a hat, again like a classic Dot and Key packaging. This consists of 15 ml of the product. I will be reviewing this as well, and if I like it I will be purchasing their full size product. Second mini which I received is again a mask, I think. Yes, it is a glow reviving vitamin C pink clay mask. So clay masks really work well on my skin, so I am really excited upon using these products as to if these really do function on my skin or not. This packaging is really similar to the packaging of the lip plumping mask. So yeah, I'm really excited upon using these Dot and Key products. So if you are keen in knowing, then I'm going to obviously share my reviews and everything with y'all on my gram and on YouTube. That's, I think, yeah, that was it for my dabba number 3. Let's go to the dabba number 4, the last but not the least, the dabba number 4. This is what it looks like. Let's unbox it. So again, like all the other dabbas, this dabba is also packaged with the paper and not bubble wraps, which is exciting, which is just a very good move by Nykaa. So this is one of the products I'm very excited to try about. This is the eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. I just saw the review of the Daydream project, and she said that Miss Claire's eyebrow pencils are really good in the affordable range, so one must really go ahead and try these eyebrow pencils out. So I am really looking forward to these eyebrow pencils working for me, because if they do, then these are amazing. If you can see, it also comes with spoolie on the back, and this pencil is in the color dark brown because my eyebrows are not really black but brownish in shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. Yes, this is a very waxy eyebrow pencils, the way I like it. So I just hope it's going to, you know, function it the way it is I am imagining it to function. So I bought this one lash from Nykaa. I have never used falsies in my entire life up till today. So this will be my first pack of falsies, which are from Nykaa. These are called the OG natural voluminous lashes. It also comes with an eyelash glue of its own. It's such a cute packaging. If you go to see, guys, this is like really very cute of Nykaa to work upon packaging as well. So my next purchase is from Sugar. Yes, this is the free crayon lipstick which I landed up having from Sugar. So Sugar was also on a discount and also was on a offer that if I purchase XYZ amount of products, then I may get one crayon pencil with any shade free. So I was inquisitive about what shade color is it, because on the packaging outside you cannot really, you know, identify what is the shade color or shade range of this lipstick. So I opened it and this is what this lipstick looks like, and this is a nice purple, blue toned purple, and it's a good gorgeous color. It's very creamy, but once it settles on the lips it becomes really matte. I can say that because I have already used this lipstick once. So yes, this is very creamy, it glides on the lips and it is very opaque. You don't need to go over and over again with this. Guess what it is? It's the contour and highlight face palette. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it's a little bit here and there in the transit. It may have gone a little bit here and there. So that's the contour shade, that is the highlight shade, and that is the blush shade. So the blush is like really, it is very powdery. This is what the blush looks like, a burnt pink color blush, a corally blush, which is very pretty. And let me swatch the highlight, because this sets subtle. I hope this is subtle, not very overpowering. Yes, like the word said, it is subtle, it is not very overpowering, and it is a good highlight, the way I like it. Wait, I can just swatch it on my nose and on my... If you can see, this is actually giving me a very glow from within kind of an highlight. It is not very overpowering and blinding, and we are in the era right now of very within glow highlight kind of an era. When I talked about makeup tools, I meant brushes. So I bought these two brushes from Nykaa. Look at the packaging. This is so good. They come in a packaging of their own, which is good. I will be making sure that I keep them in these packaging. Hopefully I do, because my brushes are lying here and there, which I should not be, because they get contaminated with germs and everything. But yeah, I do a regular wash for my brushes, so that's not a problem. But these two brushes are the eye brushes. Let me show it to you guys. I actually bought them because these looked really pretty and good. Like, please see this rose gold packaging. It is so chic and amazing. And look, this is so good. I can't wait to apply my eyeshadows or tap my eyeshadows with this blush, with this brush. I'm so sorry. So as I bought a fake eyelash, I also needed an eyelash glue, and I really read about that Miss Claire makes amazing eyelash glues. So a few of the content creators did also compare it with the Duo's eyelash glue, which is really good. So this Miss Claire eyelash glue comes in a transparent and a dark tone color. I have gotten a dark tone one. This is what it looks like. The next purchase is this lip balm from Sugar. So let's just take some time and appreciate how beautiful this packaging is. I really love the packaging, but it would have been great if they would have been a little minimal about this packaging, because this entire cardboard is going to go waste and for nothing. So they could have had a mini packaging for this, is what I feel. But I don't know how is the lip balm going to perform, and I don't know when will I even get a time to use this lip balm, because I already have big tub of lip plumping mask from Dot & K. But I will for sure use this lip balm also and review it on my channel. If not on my channel, I will be posting an update about this on my gram, definitely. So do check it out. Now we come to the last segment of our video, which I think are the face sheet masks, which I ordered from Face Shop. Okay, so I ordered one charcoal mask from Sugar also, because I wanted to try out what they are like. So I ordered one charcoal mask from Sugar. The next one are from Face Shop. Yes, these are all from Face Shop. Face Shop masks are always running on discounts and offers, so yeah, you can always have your hands on them. Mine, I had an offer of buy 3 get 3 free, so I purchased 1, 2, 3, and I got a lot many others free. Yeah, even this contains Face Shop masks. So let me open this packaging. Yes, so buy 3 get 3 free. These are my stock. I've used the lemon one and the pomegranate one before, so something new for me would be the green tea, the blueberry and the rice one. So I will be using and putting a review about these on my gram, so please stay tuned. So with that, we've come to the end of our haul. Please do let me know if you have liked any of the purchases I have made in the comment section below, and if you like any of the purchases that I have made and I have gotten, then please go ahead and buy them. I will be reviewing each one of them on my channel very soon, so just stay tuned for all the reviews. If you like my review, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot as I am very new to YouTube and I'm growing, and your love would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. If you've come this far, then thank you for watching this long, really long video. Bye, take care, meet you soon in my next video.